Yes, this is gonna help us do the suspension work early in the morning. So we're gonna take a shot of this. Oh my God, this Cuban coffee is serious. Anyway, today we are going to be installing the KTuned K1 suspension on the CRZ. We're gonna be removing the K Sports out of here. We're gonna be installing this new setup. But here's the best part about this whole setup right here. So they send me these custom-made couplings for the suspension because I am using the 8th gen spindles on this to be able to use 36mm. So we're gonna move forward and start installing this. All right, so KTuned has a pretty much different design from the K Sport. So I'm gonna show you the difference, which I think this is a little better because it gives you more room for adjustment when it comes to this suspension. So we're gonna have to utilize this from the old suspension and we're gonna put it on KTuned suspension for the simple fact that on the 8th gen, they are attached to the subframe, the sway bar, and on the CRZ is attached to the front strut. Oh, look at this, it's kind of loose, but you know what? I'd rather have it this way for that to freeze up in there. I'll just snug that up a bit while I have this wheel off. But yeah, nothing to worry about. It's better than trying to hammer these things out. This is our old K Sport suspension. So what we're gonna be utilizing is the sway bar link holder right here, because again, on the 8th gen, they are attached to the subframe and on the CRZ is not. So that being said, if I had my original spindles, then the ones KTuned sent me will work. See, because they come with it. But they work with me. They made me a set for the setup that I have, so I have to actually, I guess, improvise a little bit and make this work for me. So yeah, we're gonna utilize this piece right from here. So if I sell the suspension, it'll still work for the 8th gen, but I cannot sell it to a CRZ because then they would have to purchase that separately. But yeah, let's move forward. All right, so sorry I couldn't show you with the wheels off because we was testing height, but we got the front ones installed. Everything came out perfectly the way we planned it. And then also in the back, as you can see, very nice setup here from KTuned. I'm pretty excited that I finally got to change the suspension. I thank you, KTuned, for that. So yeah, these are the K1 streets, and I could definitely vouch for them. I see a lot of good improving things from the last ones that I did have. And yeah, this is it, man. Way to go. So we finally took a test drive on the CRZ, and I must say, this is a huge difference. I just want to show you how stiff we put the suspension when we adjust the spring to about 6.5. So check this out. See that? So that's the way we like to drive the car. So now the car suspension is where it should be, or let me just say where it should have always been, but we're happy with the results. Thank you, KTuned. We appreciate you a lot. And again, any questions you might have, you can comment below.